Hello everyone, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, hello, I'm Edgar, and today we're going to be doing a little unboxing slash review slash first impression slash what's in my bag perhaps. We are going to be taking a look at the brand new Jeffree Star Cosmetics x Shane Dawson. This is I don't even know. It's late in the night and it's a mouthful to say everything. We're going to be unboxing and reviewing one of the Shane Dawson x Jeffree Star Cosmetics Conspiracy Collection items. Now, if you haven't already seen my review on the Conspiracy palette, you guys can click up here. I'll also do a little link down in the description down below. So this is not the Conspiracy palette. However, Shane Dawson did launch some merch, and there was also a couple pieces that were launched alongside the Conspiracy Collection. Obviously, by the title, you already know it is the pig bag that I'm going to be taking a look at because I love accessories, okay? I know it's accessories, but I like to say accessories. A little wee accessory, you know? It sounds a little bougier. I am absolutely no stranger to bags, both from Forever 21, from freaking Goodwill, designer brands. So I know what a good bag feels like. So yeah, I know makeup, but I know a good accessory as well. So I'm really excited to get into this. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Edgar. Here on my channel, we like to give back, we like to share. My house is starting to look like a freaking Sephora and it's a little overwhelming. So we're gonna be doing a little care package giveaway. It's gonna include some beauty, some makeup, maybe a little bit of skincare. I don't know, it's just a little random care package of stuff for one of you guys. So if you wanna enter, all you gotta do is be subscribed, click the bell, give me a big thumbs up, and comment your Instagram name down below. If you're not into giveaways, please still consider subscribing. But yeah, let's get into today's video. I don't know what that was. So I have the package here. It's literally been sealed, I kid you not, for a month, which I know you're saying, Edgar, are you freaking serious? There was people dying. There was people paying triple the price off of eBay. And here you are, not opening your package after a freaking month. Well, I really wanted to save it to do a video. I've just kind of been busy and the holidays and stuff is happening. It's just a crazy time of year. I did order this off the Jeffree Star Cosmetics website. There was a little delay slash glitch where not everything showed up. I was actually in the middle of reviewing the Conspiracy palette when one of you guys tweeted me the link saying, hey, this is up now. So yeah, shout out to one of y'all for sending me the link. I was luckily able to cop this, and I got this on November 14th. So it took about 2 weeks from when I ordered this to receive it. Let's get right into, where's my box opener? Okay, so I'm gonna open the box now. Now, if you are not new to my channel, or if you are new to my channel, you know I love reviewing the latest and greatest makeup, but I'm also a really big fashion connoisseur. I mean, I don't like consume, how do I put this? I like fashion, but you know, the more affordable fashion. I might get something nice here and there, but I'm not a really big spender these days. Okay, so nicely sealed. I can't even get it open. Here it is. We have a little bit of tissue paper with the little Shane Dawson and the little piggy on there. And then we have the bag itself. So it's a pretty slim box. Inside comes my receipt order. In total, I paid, it was $35, $9.95 for shipping. In total, I paid $48.02. And this is the side bag, Shane x Jeffree in the black. Also comes with a little postcard, a little Shane and Jeffree moment, a little mini controversy on the back. I'm so freaking excited to open this, y'all. Like, it's been itching at me to just open it, but I was like, no, you gotta wait until you can film a review. So here we are. Oh, okay, wow. So here is the pig side bag. We have the signature pig design in the front. This is like a faux leather. It is kind of like grained, so it's not completely smooth. I definitely do prefer this type of leather, faux leather, vegan leather finish on bags because they're a lot more sturdy, like heavy duty. They don't scratch as easy. They're typically easier to clean. It's also embroidered really nicely, kind of like embroidery on clothes. So the design itself is all embroidery, nothing is taped on. The back is just a solid, same little vegan material. Then in the center, it just has the Jeffree Star Cosmetics logo all throughout. Comes with a little tag, Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson. Apart from this, the other items that I really wanted slides. I want a phone case. More than anything, I want a black pig mirror. They were sold out in stores and I was very sad. So yeah, I wasn't able to get a hold of other things, but luckily I got a bag. I'm no stranger to bags, like cheap. Like I have like little Forever 21 bag. I have like this really cute vintage Louis Vuitton bag. This bag, which most of you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen it. This is a, what is it called? Givenchy Pandora box. something like that, small Pandora box. So this is like my go-to bag whenever I go out, whenever I go to events. It fits a lot of stuff. It doesn't look like it fits a lot of stuff, but it like is pretty deep in there. This was definitely not $50. This was, I don't even want to talk about how much this was. Same with like, I'm honestly even ashamed to show this. This is like another thing that I got myself for my birthday like 2 years ago, which I should probably be using more. This is a YSL small sac de jour. I'm getting flashbacks of how much I spent on this. So yeah, I have like affordable bags. I have like really nice bags. So I know a thing or two about bags. So far from first impressions, this feels like a really nice sturdy bag, especially for the price. $35 is pretty fair, being that it's not designer. Let's get into it now. We do have a little like pig zipper. Let me take the plastic off. Hope you can see that. Zipper feels, look at that. Zipper feels really nice. Let me take off the tag as well. Oh. So there we go. Comes with stuffing inside, more stuffing. Here is the chain. Okay, alright. The chain isn't like custom or anything. It's kind of just like a normal chain that you'd get like on any bag really. It comes already clipped into one little thing here, and then there's another hook on the other side where I'm gonna hook this onto. There we go. So here's what it looks like. Oh, come on now. Okay. Why is it flipping upside down? Okay, there. I had it like weirdly held. Oh, I think it's just flipping because I have nothing in it. But yeah, here's the bag with the chain attached now. And as far as the inside's pretty like straightforward. There's no like pockets or anything. It's just, so honestly the quality feels really nice like to the touch. It's not like, look, it's not like scratching or anything, so that's a really good sign. Here's what the bag looks like on the side. I am 5'7", you know, I'm a little thick. I'm not like super skinny, but I got a little junk in the trunk. Just over the shoulder, it drops right below my waist. And then crossbody, fits really nice in the front. I like that it's flat. Definitely feels more comfortable right here as opposed to on the side. To the back, it feels, no. When it's crossed, at least it feels most comfortable there, but like here, obviously, you know, it feels great. Literally fits exact same. Pretty standard drop on the chain. That's what this looks like on the body. Now I want to test what fits in here because that's what I was most curious about. I love that it's all black, so this will go with a lot of outfits, but the real test in a bag is what does it fit? So I'm going to take out what I usually carry in here. Like what I usually carry in here is pretty standard. Mirrors, gums, all that stuff, like what I would need for an event. So just taking stuff out from here, I have a little mirror. It is like a little light up mirror. I'm gonna put that in there. There you go. Now I definitely always need to have some mints, so these are Altoids going in there as well. I always also do have a lot of lip. Do y'all carry, how many lip products do y'all carry? Let me know down in the comments below, because I usually carry 5 or 6 glosses, normal lipsticks, matte lipsticks. You never know what you're gonna need, y'all. Of course, they're all nude. So just putting those in there. And I also always need a powder puff to touch up. So I'm gonna put that inside as well. Let me also grab my like keys and stuff that I would normally carry. Oh, hey. I got some other stuff that I would usually carry as well. Always need my wallet. It has like my credit cards, my ID and stuff in here, and my keys. Here we go. Keys inside. Wallet inside. Wow, we still, look at, after all that, it's not even stuffed or anything. When I go to events and stuff, I like to take a selfie light because you never know when you're gonna need lighting. So let's put that in there. Putting this last item in like this bag, this is like completely stuffed. Honestly, probably wouldn't even close, or I'd have trouble closing this. This is a really large, it's a pretty big power brick, but I feel like it would fit in here. Here you go. It's literally like the size of the bag. Oh. Wow, pretty shocked at how much stuff actually fits. I just threw stuff in there, so I didn't try to like organize it or anything, but what the? Look at how much stuff this holds, and theoretically you can still kind of put a couple more things in there, like smaller things. I could even probably fit my camera that I'm filming on here, and it would fit perfect. That would fill it up to the brim. Okay, see, now that it's full, it stays upright. So yeah, y'all, that is my what's in my bag slash first impression slash review of this. You guys know I'm very visual, so if I don't like something aesthetically, I'll say something about it. But this looks good, it feels good, it's very practical, it'll go with any outfit. after trying this, I'm definitely inclined to buy more Shane Dawson merch. I haven't watched like any reviews for merch, but I still trust that, you know, just from this, everything else is going to be bomb. So would I recommend Shane Dawson / Jeffree Star Cosmetics accessories merch? Yes, 100%. This doesn't feel like it's gonna break on me, you know? I definitely know that I'm gonna get my real good use out of this, and I'm not gonna be afraid to fling it around or anything because the material is freaking nice, and even if it does get dirty, I could just wipe it off. You can definitely fit a lot of stuff for on the go for daytime, nighttime. This happens to be available, get it. If you see pre-orders or there's more stock, get it as well because this is freaking everything. Love this. That is my review and thoughts, first impressions of this pig bag. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up any of the merch. If so, what did you get and how did you like it? How is it holding up? What do you think about the quality? If you didn't get anything, what do you plan on getting in the near future? Please let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know, of course, what other videos you guys would like to see. Y'all already know I have more beauty content coming. The reviews will never stop coming. Skincare is coming up. I'm gonna have a vlog and whatnot. A lot of good, juicy stuff, so subscribe if you haven't. Want to enter today's giveaway? Don't forget to subscribe. Click the little notification bell, give me a big thumbs up, and comment your Instagram name down below. If you guys are not already following me all over social media, make sure you guys do so. I am at Edgar's Makeup on Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, so tweet me, snap me, send me a DM. But yeah, you guys, that is everything for me today. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much as always for hanging out with me, and I need to stop with the I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.